Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over a couple of wallets that you can use in order to store your MEWCoin in. Project is just getting warmed up. Discord is abuzz. There's going to be a massive airdrop happening within the next little while. So the announcement is going to come shortly. So I figured, in order to accommodate all the people that are going to be flocking in to get some MEWCoin and finally get on the action early so you don't miss out on anything, I'm going to make a video on how to set up a wallet that is available in order to store your MEWCoin on. So make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, of course, stay to the very end of the video so you don't miss anything on how to set that sucker up. So there are actually three wallets that can accommodate MEWCoin. I will certainly start with the first one, which is Vidalum. That's the name of the wallet. So the first thing you need to do is hop over to MEWCoin. It's MEWCCRYPTO.com, and then go over to resources. You can scroll down here to wallets, and there you will see a selection of MEWCoin Core Wallet, Beehive Wallet, and Vidalum Wallet. I mentioned MEWCoin Core Wallet in the past. It's very similar to the wallet that you would use for Raven, for the Raven coin, and actually it's the exact same wallet, just for MEWCoin. But today I'm going to start with Vidalum. So go ahead and click Vidalum, and that'll take you right here to this page. So of course you don't have a wallet, and I don't have a wallet, so we're going to set that up. We're going to set up the wallet from scratch, so I can show you how to do that. But I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Go to login, and of course, since you don't have anything, create a wallet. You're gonna need a username, a password, verify, pin code, verify, and email. So let's do all these things now. Once you have all this information entered, then we'll go to create wallet. And you will be, once you're in the wallet, you can search out your MEWCoin, and you will be given a MEWCoin address. That's your deposit address. In order to set your two-factor authentication, just go down to the gear sign at the bottom of the page, click on that, and you can go to the enable 2FA. You will have to have your Google Authenticator downloaded on your phone, and then you scan the QR code. And it's activated. So there you go, fantastic. Now of course we want a mobile version of the wallet, so let's have a look at Vidalum Crypto Web Wallet. I have to install it first. I haven't installed it, so we're going it from scratch. Give it a minute. And once the wallet is installed, you should be able to just log in with your information the way you have online, since it's already set up. Once you have all the details set up, you need to copy obviously your password from the web app that you've just created, and then enter it here, and then here you go. The mobile wallet has some staking and earning. I wonder what that is. I wonder if you can stake or earn on MEWCoin. Very curious. And there is your MEWCoin wallet. I'm not familiar with Vidalum. This is how you set up your wallet on Vidalum. Now the next wallet is the Beehive wallet. So if you are interested in that, just go over there and hit the button there. You get to this page, and it's the same thing. You have to sign in. Obviously you would have to set up your account and go through the same motions. But so here I am, and here's the dashboard. Howdy, welcome to Beehive. Okay, so this is the wallet. Once you register with them, you're gonna have to verify your wallet. A verification email will be sent to your email, and from there you will need to verify that email. Beehive wallet is a little bit sluggish. It's a bit slower than I would like in operation. So those are the two wallets that you can have set up for your MEWCoin. I personally use the MEWCoin core wallet because I find that to be the most convenient and easy to use and easy for storage. But I know that some people wanted to have a mobile wallet, in which case the Vidalum wallet seems to be a pretty good option for a mobile version of a wallet. So there you have it. It seems to be pretty intuitive, easy to navigate. It provides other coins that you can store in the wallet. So it's I guess it's an all-right wallet. And on Discord it was talked about. This wallet was talked about, so people are using it, and I guess the reviews are okay. In the meantime, get ready, because I will be releasing another video on the Emporium, which I will make a little bit later. The Emporium is a place where you can create NFTs. Before you register, I will post the registration link below. There will be a giveaway of MEWCoins, so you'll be able, and they'll be sent directly to your Emporium, so you'll be able to get those in. So if you want to register with Emporium right now, it's still under development right now. There's some updates that are taking place right now, so it may not be functioning 100%. Once it's ready, I will upload a video explaining how to set it up, how to mint NFTs, and there will be a giveaway of MEWCoins on Emporium. So that's coming up, so make sure to come back for that video whenever that's coming up, whenever that becomes available, which is going to be soon, hopefully. In the meantime, make sure to smash up the likes, subscribe, and of course, thank you for tuning in, and get on to non-KYC and get yourself some MEWCoin. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.